Mexico has declared a state of emergency after a weekend of violence in the Caribbean dual island nation took the number of murderers this year to 623. 5 men were shot overnight in an estate on the outskirts of the capital port of Spain. A man killed outside a police station on Saturday, and a 57-year-old woman was shot dead on Friday as she collected from the teenage son from the hospital in San Fernando. In the population of 1.5 million, the unprecedented tally for 2024 makes Trinidad and Tobago one of the most violent countries in Latin America and the Caribbean. Under the emergency power announced by the Office of the Prime Minister, Keith Rowley, the police and army have widespread authorities to detain individuals without charge and search property without warrants. In a statement, Rowley said he was disappointed in the murder tally for 2024 and appealed to the police to use their power to make life uncomfortable for criminals. At a press conference in Port of Spain, which Rowley's absence was criticized by local media, the Attorney General Stuart Young said there would be no public curfew imposed at this time. Young said the measures had been introduced as a result of a week of brazen acts by criminals in the country, and that there was an expectation of a wave of reprisal attacks at a scale so extensive that it endangers the public safety. He had there were limited assurances he could have given to the concerned public, adding what we are facing with this heightened criminal activity with the use of high velocity assault weapons is reprisal attacks between the gangs. It's not about culling the homicide rate, it's about expecting brazen attacks which are going to endanger the public, he said. Although he admitted that in the past 10 years of the government tenure, they have had seen the rates spiral upward, the President Cristiano Kangalu said in a proclamation, "I'm satisfied that a public emergency has risen as a result of the occurrence of action that has been taken off immediately and threatened by a person of such a nature and so extensive a scale as to be likely to endanger the public safety."